The steel city that holds all our future was not built in a day. After years of research and breakthrough, we have found ways to sustain the structures. Using a new technique, steels are made to be fire resistant for at least 2 hours, which can buy the people precious time to handle the damage. This revolutionary process of coating, lining, and fireproofing is done by Carboline, an expert in preventing corrosion and handling damage. Their process can be applied to concrete and steel for basically any architectural and commercial site. For the first time, Ellipse is introducing Carboline in Bangladesh. Their highly effective analysis and reliable solutions have always paved the path for success, for which reason they have worked on highways, nuclear power plants, and so many other projects in countries such as India and the USA. Their latest project is in Fakir Knitwear Limited in Bangladesh. The entire process is well thought out and takes a number of simple steps to reach the end result. Before anything, if the structure needs wiring, then it is done accordingly. Then in appropriate machines, water and fireproofing mixture powder is added to mix them thoroughly. The mixture needs to have the right density and thickness before it can be applied to the metal pillars and walls. So the weight is tested. Next, with a spraying hose, even layers of the mixture are sprayed onto structures till it is entirely covered. Between each coat, the thickness is measured to maintain homogeneous thickness throughout. The pillar should look coarse and dry after moisture is drawn out of all the layers. Lastly, a final thickness test and weight test is done to ensure that the coating maintains international and country standards. Fireproofing strengthens the metal or concrete structure and plays a vital role in preventing fire hazards. Let us hear about its importance and specifications directly from the mouth of one of the supervisors.
As you know, the fireproofing has to meet a lot of international standards like Bangladesh National Building Code, International Building Code, as well as UL 263 standards. So this fireproofing process requires a lot of care and testings. The thickness has to be maintained as per the UL requirement. The bonding strength has to be as per the building code, and also the density to be required as per the international building code. Those aspects are being carried by us. We believe this Carboline material and association with Ellipse, they will go a long way for Bangladesh in fireproofing projects. Thank you.